Hello and welcome to this lecture on our mesh node. This will be our example specialized subclass of the DAG class in our directed acyclic graph node setup. This will expand on the functionality provided by DAG specifically for dealing with mesh objects in Maya, including methods and properties for accessing and manipulating various aspects of mesh properties, such as vertices, edges, faces, and topology. Keyform functionality. This class provides properties for easy access to vertex, edges, faces of a mesh object. This is accomplished via properties like verts, edges, and faces that return a list of all vertex or vertices, edges, faces, respectively. This allows, or these properties allow for intuitive and efficient manipulation of the mesh at a more granular level. This increased granularity, for example, will allow you to easily add functionality to gather translations from these, adding them to properties later on. For example, if you want vertex translations or vert translations, edge translations, all you have to do is again create another property which accesses these vertex and then cycles through them, adding their position. So skin clusters and weighting. The mesh class includes robust tools for dealing with skin clusters in a mesh, which are essential for efficient rigging practices. Properties for accessing joints influencing a mesh, as well as our mesh's associated skin clusters, also help to bring complex Maya methodologies into our Python DAG setup. Methods such as weight to, soft weight to, hard weight to, copy weights to, and copy weights from provide a powerful interface for manipulating how a mesh deforms in response to joint movements. Why abstraction is key. Our mesh class is a subclass of the DAG node, and this will offer us extended functionality specifically designed for mesh objects in Maya. It will provide us straightforward access to manipulation of mesh's vertex, edges, and faces, amongst other things. It's a robust tool and a blueprint, essentially, for managing different subclasses, but more specifically here, for managing skin clusters, weighting, and all deformation that we will be facing in rigging. Flexible control over mesh topology or any of Maya's setup is a must in the quick-paced environment of visual effects. The mesh class is an example of a specialized subclass that allows for more intuitive, efficient, and powerful operations in Maya, optimizing our workflow incrementally in a professional manner. Thank you so much for listening, and let's go ahead and start creating some of that functionality now.